Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be trying the new Fall Blizzards from DQ. I am so excited about this, guys. I've been wanting to do this since I knew that they were out. So let's get right into it. I'm really excited, guys. So I'm gonna read off what I got. So I got 7 total. So I got all smalls because I'm not gonna be eating a lot of these. I'm actually gonna be sharing these with my family, don't worry. But I got the pumpkin pie one, which I believe this one is right here. Then I got the pecan pie, the Reese's Pieces cookie dough. That sounds really good. The sea salt taffy, am I saying that right? That sounds really good. Then we're gonna do the Oreo mocha fudge. That probably will be my favorite because I love Oreo and I love mocha. And then we got the choco dipped strawberry. I'm not too good with strawberry. I don't really like strawberry, but we'll see how that is. And then I got, what else did I get? Oh, then I got the turtle pecan cluster. So I'm excited about this. Hopefully they're good. We're gonna try them out. So we're gonna get started. I should take a thumbnail really quick. So let me see. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna start with the pumpkin pie one because why not? It's fall time. I'm interested to see if this actually tastes like pumpkin pie. We're gonna see. I'm gonna use 1 spoon for each of these. Actually, yeah, we're gonna use 1 spoon because I don't want to, I don't know. I want to share it with my family. I don't want to contaminate it, but we'll see. Let's see, we're gonna just pop this off. Okay. Oh, that smells like pumpkin pie. It really does. It smells like the puree of pumpkin pie. That tastes like pumpkin pie, for sure. Can you guys see me? Sorry, guys. I didn't know these were in the way. Get these down. Dang it. Okay, there we go. Can you guys see me now? Okay, that's better. So, oh, there's little chunks. Not bad. It definitely tastes like pumpkin pie. But it's not strong, to be honest. But it's good. It's really good. I'm going to rate these from my favorite to least favorite. So I'm not gonna rate them like what I got it again. I'm just gonna rate them from what I like to what I don't like. I'm really hot. I'm gonna try to taste it a little bit more. Can you guys hear me though? I don't want it to be too loud. Alright, it is hot. Alright, so now we're gonna try and find the pecan pie. I think this might be the one. I think it is because I see walnuts. Sounds good. Oh, Jesus. Dripping everywhere. I'm making a mess. They're like candied walnuts. They're really good. Let's see. I can get a good bite. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's really good. I'm going in for more because I like it. Pretty good. Let's see. I'm using all of the spoons when I should be using 1. Then I'm double dipping, so maybe not. Ooh, is this the mocha? This is the mocha Oreo one, guys. I think this is gonna be my favorite. It's dripping and melting, no. They're melting. Let's see. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, I already love it. This is gonna be the one I eat because I love my mocha and I love my Oreo. So good. So good. Oh, my car just shut off. Okay. That's really good. I love that one. I think that's gonna be my favorite one right now. As of right now, that's my favorite one. So, we'll try the other ones. Ooh, this is the Reese's. I'm not a fan of Reese's, but we're gonna try it. Oh, I see the little Reese's candies. They're not bad. Oh, and this is cookie dough too. I forgot about that. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about the mix of that. Not bad. So far, the mocha Oreo is the one I love the best. I'm gonna need a napkin because it's getting messy and they're melting. So we're getting our table all wet, but it's okay. We're gonna have to rush home and put these in the freezer. Alright, so then we got the strawberry one. Oh my goodness, this is becoming messy. Alright. Oh geez, look at that, guys. It's dripping out of the container. Oh geez. Alright, we're just gonna take a spoonful. I don't know about that one. Dang it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that one, but my family members will take that for me. Okay, there's 2 more left. I'm guessing I'm pretty sure there's a turtle pecan one. What else did I not try? Hang on. I'm gonna find it. Don't want to touch my phone with sticky hands. Alright, let's see. I got the turtle pecan one. Oh, and a sea salt taffy. Yeah, that's gonna be so good. Or toffee. I keep saying taffy. Toffee. Toffee. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what this one is. I think this is the turtle. No, I don't see any pecan, so maybe it's the toffee one. Toffee. Okay, that's good. Yeah, this one's really good. Yep. Okay. That's my favorite. Second favorite. I think the turtle one's gonna be my third. Unless it's really good, and then that's my first one. So we're gonna try that one. But that's really good. Ooh. Alright. This AC is not working very well. Okay, so this is the turtle one because it's got walnuts. Oh, can you guys, I didn't even give you guys any close-ups of what this looks like. But, I'm sorry, they didn't look that appetizing, to be honest. They didn't make them all pretty with the whipped cream, but we're gonna try it. My hair didn't go with me. It did. Okay. We're gonna try a little bit. I just taste walnuts. I don't taste any turtle, you know? It's good. But if they actually had like turtle chunks in there, that would have been really good. So that's not my favorite, but it's good. So I guess what I'm gonna say for my favorite of all is this toffee one right here. Where'd it go? Ew, it's in my hair. Okay, we're gonna cut that out. Just great. My first video, starting off my video real good. Okay, so yeah, this is not bad. Okay, my favorite is this toffee one. Really good. It's got crunchy toffee and it's got a little bit of chocolate in it. It's really good. Actually, I'll name off what is in it actually, because I'm interested to know. So rich fudge pieces, salted toffee pieces, caramel topping blended with our famous soft served to perfection. It's like the ice cream, whatever. And that's pretty good. I think I like the toffee because it's crunchy, and it adds that like goodness. And then let's see, my next one would be definitely the mocha Oreo. That's really good. I think that just has simple, yeah, it's cookie pieces, coffee, and choco chunks blended with the vanilla ice cream. So that's my second. It's hard because I really like that one, but I do like that one a lot and I do need to change. So yeah, that's my first. Second, I guess I would say my third one would be, I guess I would say the pumpkin pie. That was actually not bad. It wasn't too pumpkin-y, but then you'd get those like pieces of pumpkin like puree. I don't know what it is. Let me look it up. Let's see. So that's what it is. Real pumpkin pie pieces blended with the ice cream. So that's what it is. That's why it tasted like that. But yeah, I didn't like it. I did like it. It wasn't that bad, is what I'm trying to say. So that's my third. My fourth would have to be the pecan pie. Fifth would be the walnut one, or the turtle one. So let's see what's in the pecan. Brown sugar pieces. I didn't even know that there was brown sugar pieces in there. Pecans and caramel topped with our world famous soft serve ice cream. And then the turtle one, which that one is pecan pieces, chocolatey shavings, and rich caramel blended with our creamy Dairy Queen stuff. So that's my, yeah, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, so that's how I like it. But they weren't bad, to be completely honest, so it was worth a try. If you are craving something a little pumpkin-y, definitely get the pumpkin pie one. This is pretty good. Not my kind of thing. I mean, I don't really like pumpkin pie. Like, I do, but I have to be in the mood for it, you know? So, if you're in the mood for it and you're craving it, get it. It's really good. And then I'm eating this one when I get home. And then, what was this one? Oh yeah, the toffee. Toffee's really good. I never even knew they had this stuff. They always had like plain Oreo and Reese's and Snickers and all that. So it's good that they updated these a little bit. And the pecan pie definitely tasted like pecans. I don't know if it tasted like the pecan pie because I really didn't taste any brown sugar. So I don't know. Yeah, but again with the strawberry one, I'm not a fan of strawberry, so you know, it's okay. If you like strawberry, that has chunks of chocolate in it, and I believe there's chunks of strawberry as well, because I saw it in there. So it's pretty good. The Reese's is good. I'm probably gonna give that to my husband because he likes Reese's. And then I'm probably gonna give my nephew Chase. Hi Chase. I'll probably give him, I don't know, one of them, because I would give him the Reese's, but then my husband wants that one, so we'll see. You'll get what you get. Don't get upset. But okay, so yeah, that closes out the video. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna post another one soon, so we will see you soon. Bye guys.